for viewing this gorgeous Karoq here at Trust Skoda in Redditch, part of the Trust Group approved programme. This is the SE specification, has the 1.6 TDI engine, finished in dark silver light grey metallic, comes with rear parking sensors, silver alloy wheels, black roof rails. Inside you've got the black cloth upholstery throughout, ISOFIX points in the rear, auto dimming rear view mirror, touchscreen infotainment unit with Smartlink technology, digital radio, phone, Bluetooth and various media options, 2-zone climate control air conditioning, 12-volt socket, USB. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox with electronic handbrake with auto hold. You get the multifunctional steering wheel with your cruise control. And one of my favourites is that this does come with the front assist safety program. There's just a small preview of this fantastic compact SUV. To find out more and book your test drive, call the sales team on 01527 883388